Your hair is wild, girl. Okay, so for dinner today, my parents wanted to get us jokbal because they said it's like really good. They went to go get it last night. Yes?
This is yummy.
Anyways, I was saying, this week I wanted to show you guys all the Korean food I eat, which isn't that often, but I'm planning to do a lot more than usual to show you guys some different recipes and ideas for the week. But today my parents decided to bring over jokbal, which is, sounds really gross, but pig's foot. It has a lot of collagen and it's good for the skin. I mean, a lot of people say that that's the trick to Korean skin, is like all the collagen we eat, and I think jokbal is something that's, you know, really up there, that has a lot of collagen. Grace is also making some 동그랑땡, which are little beef patties, and 소고기 묵국, beef radish soup. I don't think I'm really gonna be cooking today. I'm gonna be helping her, but she's prepping the soup earlier on so that we just have to heat it up later. This is what we get from Trader Joe's. It's a really good deal. It just comes like this, so it makes Korean soups a lot easier.
Oh no. Avocado.
Avocado. Alright. So we do basic seasoning with the 동그랑땡, but our little secret is cinnamon. Ella, I know. Here.
Ella, why don't you play with your elephant?
Grace is testing a little sample of this. See if the seasoning's okay or if she needs to add or take out something.
Ella, are you pretending?
It's a little loud, sorry, it's Grace's Roomba. I'm at Grace's house today and we have some friends coming over. It's supposed to rain, but it's not raining yet, and we decided to make some kimchi pancakes because we thought it'd be perfect for the weather. So I brought some kimchi from home. Pay close attention because I do things a little differently, but it's to help crisp it up because I think kimchi pancakes taste amazing when it's crispy. And we have some fish and banchan. 고추장? 응? 고추장?
응.
너무 맛있다.
Yeah, it's a little hot.
Hello.
Monster? I'm monster?
No,
여기 냉장고에 있어서요.
됐어?
radish. What's it?
That's funny, sweetie?
오늘 완전 집밥이지?
어.
너무 좋은데?
그래서 피자 저거 같이 먹어.
Can I have a fish?
밥 한 술 먹고 조기고.
I think this is your spoon.